name is Emily. The channel is One at a Time. Today I am bringing you a sewing makes video and a sewing plans video, which I haven't done for a couple of years, so I'm really excited to share with you. I've been doing a fair amount of sewing, but these videos really helped to keep me on track to do more. So what I want to share with you are a couple of the things, just kind of a sneak peek of some things that I have made. I will have some more details coming in the future. But the first thing is this dress here beside me. So I found this fabric last summer at a Milan store, and it was all about getting floral knits when we went there, and I got several things to make some dresses and some shirts. This is one of them, and this is a really wonderful, I have no idea what kind of fabric. I know it's knit. I know it has some synthetic fibers in it, and it's a little crinkly, so it's not exactly smooth. Crinkly is a very technical term, right? And it's navy, and that was kind of what drew me to it. So I used my McCall's 7247 pattern to do the top, and then I just cut it a little bit below the waistline, just enough to take into consideration the seam allowance to add a skirt. And then I added the skirt, and it is just a rectangle. And then I pleated it on, and I added pockets. The pockets are, there's just one, because where it's a rectangle, so on the left there's no seam, and on the right in the seam is where the pocket is, and it's just made out of the self fabric. Then on the sleeves, I also extended the sleeves. They're a little bit longer than a short sleeve, and then I added another rectangle and I pleated it on as well. And I love this dress. It is long. It comes just about to my ankles. It's not exactly midi length. It was a matter of using the fabric that was left to get it as long as possible, and it's one of my favorite dresses to wear. The other thing I did, kind of along the same lines, it was just like a pattern hack kind of project, I guess, is that I used that same McCall's pattern, the 7247, and then I also used McCall's 6964. So the sleeve, I don't like the way it hemmed, it does pucker, but the sleeve is just gathered on instead of pleats, and the reason I gathered it is because of the back. The back is a little bit low, so it's kind of a high-low hem, but the back is also cut at the waist seam, not the waist seam, at the waistline, and then I took a rectangle that was slightly curved at the bottom, and I just gathered it on. I really like this shirt as well. It's not a full peplum, but it's very similar to the peplums that were all the rage not too long ago, probably 2 years ago. So it's a really comfortable shirt. I like it. The thing I don't like is the fabric. It is a lot of polyester in it, more polyester than I like. I like zero polyester. So, but there was just a little bit of the fabric. I was just barely able to get this shirt out of the fabric I had, was able to get. It was just about a yard. So anyway, but it was great to try something a little bit different. But now, it's May, it's time for graduations, and I make a gift. My mom helps me put these together. She does the cutting and the supplies, and then I sew them together. We're going to be giving laundry bags to the people in our life who are graduating. I have about 17 of those to make in May, and I don't have much time left in May because I only have about a week. So I've got to really mass produce these bags and get them out. But that is my plan for May, to finish up the month, and keep watching. Subscribe if you like videos like this, and if you like farming videos. Quite a few farming videos on the channel. And as always, eat more potatoes. I hope you sew up a storm, wear wool, and ask for USA lamb and beef at your local grocery store. Today I have a video recommendation for you. Go check out this video from Joey Sewy.